Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Are you ready to take control of your destiny and create a life that truly excites you? Did you know that nearly 30% of people have considered leaving their traditional jobs to start their own businesses? That's a significant number of individuals yearning for something more fulfilling and meaningful. Imagine what life could be like if you had the freedom to work on your own terms. Picture yourself setting your own schedule, working from anywhere in the world, and pursuing projects that ignite your passion. Today, I'm talking about breaking free from the 9-5 grind and starting your own business. It's a journey that requires courage, determination, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. It's not just a dream, it's a possibility, and it's within your reach. With the right mindset and tools, you can turn your entrepreneurial aspirations into reality. Many of us feel trapped in our traditional jobs. The daily grind can be exhausting, and the lack of fulfillment can leave us feeling empty. The daily commute, the lack of fulfillment, and the financial constraints, it all adds up. We spend hours in traffic, deal with office politics, and often feel like we're not making a meaningful impact. You're working hard, but you feel like you're just spinning your wheels. Sound familiar? Now picture this. Imagine waking up every day with a sense of purpose and excitement. You wake up in the morning excited about your work because it's your own business. You have the freedom to make decisions, innovate, and create something that truly reflects your vision. Whether it's an online store, a freelancing gig, or creating multiple streams of passive income, the possibilities are endless. You can tailor your business to fit your lifestyle and goals. Let's talk about some business ideas that can lead to financial independence. The digital age has opened up countless opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. Online ventures like e-commerce stores allow you to reach a global audience with minimal overhead costs. You can sell products or services to customers around the world, all from the comfort of your home. Freelancing offers the flexibility to choose your projects and work from anywhere. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or consultant, you can build a thriving business based on your skills and expertise. And don't forget about passive income streams. Things like real estate investments, affiliate marketing, or creating digital products can bring in revenue while you sleep. These income streams can provide financial stability and freedom. Here's a powerful story for you. Meet Sarah. She used to work a 9-5 job that she didn't love. She felt stuck and unfulfilled, longing for something more. She used to work a 9-5 job that she didn't love. Every day felt like a struggle, and she knew she needed a change. One day she took the leap and started her own e-commerce store. It was a bold move, but she was determined to make it work. It wasn't easy, but she persevered. She faced challenges, learned from her mistakes, and kept pushing forward. Today, Sarah's business is thriving. And she's not just financially independent, she's fulfilled and passionate about her work. The key takeaway? Pursuing your passion can lead to financial freedom and a more meaningful life. Pursuing your passion can lead to financial freedom. When you love what you do, it doesn't feel like work. It becomes a source of joy and fulfillment. Starting a business isn't just about making money, it's about creating a life that you love. It's about having the freedom to pursue your dreams and make a positive impact on the world. So, which business idea resonates with you the most? Take some time to reflect on your passions, skills, and goals. The right business idea is out there waiting for you to discover it. Drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear about your entrepreneurial aspirations and the steps you're taking to achieve them. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more entrepreneurial tips and inspiration. There's a wealth of knowledge and resources available to help you on your journey. Thanks for watching, and here's to your future success. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and start building the life you've always dreamed of.